Hey there, Greenie Beanies. Marvy here with my old pal Justine the Ladybug. Justine's here to help me introduce the next video. Go ahead, Justine. Ha! Yep, I agree. Justine says that our next video is a lot of fun. Let's check it out.
Do you know the Muffin Man? Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man? Muffin Man?
Did you know that the Muffin Man does good deeds whenever he can? You should know the Muffin Man. I'm a fan.
Hey, how you doing? Alright, you had a good time?
Oh, you like that one.
Ready for a drink?
That was a big walk, eh, Ziggy? Let me take you up the stairs.
I hope you and Ziggy had a good walk.
We sure did, didn't we, Ziggy?
Muffin Man.
I wonder how my other pet friends are doing.
You're a hungry fella, aren't you? Muffin Man. You should know the Muffin Man. Muffin Man. Muffin Man.
Hey!
Come on in! Muffin Man. I'm a fan of the Muffin Man, cause he helps whenever he can. Get to know the Muffin
Hey!
Man. I know he's good to be like the Muffin Man and help people out whenever you can. Let's all give a helping hand, just like the Muffin Man. Just like the Muffin Man.
You were right, Justine. That video was really fun. We'll see you later, Greenie Beanies.